I was running early morning and I was struck by a vehicle. Broken elbow, fractured humerus, broken shoulder, broken foot, broken pelvis, some ribs. After waking up from surgery, Dr. Garrigues came in and spoke to me. He's like, hey, we repaired your humerus, your shoulder, your elbow. I was like, okay, this is great, you know? I'm gonna go home and heal. My shoulder was phenomenal, it healed great, but I still had my hand that wasn't functioning. And there were so many times that I would just lose it. It's so frustrating because, like, you know, in your brain you're doing it and your brain is telling you move your hand and it's not moving. Julie and I, my OT, just kind of looked at each other one time and she's like, I think there's just something else wrong. And she's like, hold on. And in walks this man, this doctor, Dr. Rouge.
It wasn't on my schedule to see her, but Julie felt that it was pretty important.
He just starts tapping at like my arm to find my nerve.
Her nerve, which controls the fingers and wrist, was not working. Without that, then your hand droops and you can move your fingers a little bit, but that's about it.
And he said to me, he's like, you're gonna be fine. He's like, it's gonna work, it's gonna be great.
She had expert care initially, great therapy, and then you do the nerve surgery for her and all of a sudden you've got a good outcome.
Like when you can't hold on to something and then you can, it's pretty amazing. They all worked so well together for me. They're just extraordinary people. Very kind, extraordinary people. My hand works. It's pretty awesome.